I discovered your book, I think a year after it came out, and I read it 5 times. My wife was making fun of me because I was having fun reading this. Because the big thing what it did for me, so again, I've been a clinician dealing with patients for about 20 years now. I've been doing testosterone replacement and age management medicine for about 12 years. So I know how to treat patients, but I never knew the why. Why is this happening? Why am I seeing so many young men, young women with hormonal problems? What's going on in this world? The tendency of conventional medicine is that we blame the patients. They're fat, they're lazy, they eat bad, and then they don't treat the patient. So by the time the patients would come to me, they've internalized a lot of that shame because now they don't feel well. And then when I read your book, I'm like, that's it. There are all of those toxins, those estrogenics that I knew nothing about. And I've been an MD for 20 plus years. How is it that I didn't know about this? So for me, the important thing is first, thank you for bringing all this information. And our goal is now to bring it to our patients, to my physician colleagues, for them to understand that the world we live in now is not the world we were 40 years ago. We need to change our perspective when we see patients because we live in a toxic world.